Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am making a lace closure wig. And also, if you are a first time watcher of my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and help a new YouTuber out. So today, of course, I'm making a lace closure wig, and I'm making it for one of my cousins. And I decided to film it. Why not, right? So film this great work that I'm about to put into these. Okay, let me calm down. So things that you're gonna need is a wig cap, and also you're going to need your measuring tape, of course, which is like $1 on Amazon. You're going to also need your wig head. So the wig head that I'm using is the same circumference size of my cousin's head, which is a 22. So, and the wig cap is the same circumference. I feel like this is very important when you're doing that, to have the wig head the same, and the wig cap the same. So when it goes onto your client's head or anyone you're making it for, it's perfect and fit really well. Okay, so also you're going to need a scissors, of course, and you're going to need a nylon thread. Let me tell you about this right here. This nylon thread is absolutely amazing for any wig you're making. Absolutely amazing. And of course, you're going to need your T-pins, and you're going to need your C needles. And as you can see, I made sure I thread all of these C pins because I ain't got no patience at all, y'all. Alright, so the actual hair that I'm using is a deep wave curly hair. It's a 28, 26, 24 with a 20 closure, and I went off camera and I kind of aligned up and used my T-pins to put my my lace closure down onto the actual wig cap. Very, very neat and nicely. I also bring the front of the closure down, like at least, I would say, like less than half an inch down. So when the wig is sewn and finished, little baby hair can be used to make everything look really, really great. Okay, so let's get into sewing the actual lace closure, or even if you're doing a lace frontal, you want to actually do this process. So whenever you're starting, you want to make sure that you are making knots. And I make my knots about like 2 to 3 times. 3 times the tops. You can do it twice, but for me, I want to make sure that the wig is not going to fall apart. So at the beginning and the end, I make my knots so everything looks good. Okay, so I am going to actually play music so you can watch, because I just feel like with voiceover, you could talk, and I'm not the best at doing voiceovers, so I'm going to let the music play while you see how I do my wig. I really wanted to point this out on as to like when I'm making closure wigs. My biggest pet peeve is when you make your closure wig, you have it on, and when the breeze blow, you can see the tracks on the side. Hate it so much. So I wanted to point out that the way I made my closure wig now is that I actually, after like sewing up to like 4 tracks in the back, I sort of bring up the actual one of the tracks up to the side so that once I'm have my wig on and you know the wind blow and anything, you won't be able to see any tracks.
this is how everything came out. I went off camera and hot comb it, add a little conditioner to it, and pluck it as well. Everything looks good. Look at that, y'all. No tracks showing. It's so good. My cousin is going to love her wig. I love this new technique that I'm doing with my closure wig. It's so beautiful. Look at the hair. It's so gorgeous. So guys, please remember to give me a thumbs up if you love this video, and don't forget to subscribe because I got a lot of content coming y'all way, guys. So please remember, like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.